I think with credit unions specifically, it's, they're in financial services. So there are certainly things that they're concerned about. So is AI, is it isolated, right, to that type of industry? Is the AI identifying certain things about financial services, right? Is it in a secure cloud environment, things like that? Those are all really key things. And just attending different credit union conferences, they're presenting, slides and thinking about, okay, what do we need to ask in an AI vendor, right? How do we need to implement AI? So I think that's increasingly important to make sure it's compliant, make sure it's safe, make sure it's providing things that are very specific to financial services and credit unions. And then once that takes place, how do we track and implement? How do we make sure it's effective? How do we analyze at
I
scale?
think I see in the trend as of late is, I think more of the emphasis around large language models and just trying to use generative AI in a siloed fashion to dive into surface level insights. However, I believe the way forward that everyone will start to adopt, at least if they're really serious about not only uncovering initial kind of surface level insights, but then also being able to track those things over time is the kind of the hybrid take on leveraging everything that, large language models like ChatGPT can do and combining that with the tried, true, and tested machine learning, right? So taking those two types of AI and then leveraging them together and creating more of a hybrid model is really going to be the way to move forward in the future. I think we're going to either start seeing a lot of that, or some companies will start to fall a little bit flat by just using one or the other.